Well, my name's Paul Lamere. I work at a company called the Echo Nest, which is a music intelligence company located in Boston, Massachusetts. And I came here to the Music Hack Day because I really am interested in helping people build the next generation of music applications. So I came here to show off what we can do with the Echo Nest and also to actually build something today, make a hack.
Mm-hmm. And what exactly does Echo Nest do? What do you offer?
So we try to learn everything we can about music. So we'll crawl the web and find out what everybody's writing about music. We'll look at every music review, blog post, artist bios. We'll collect all of this text, all of the words that people are writing about it, and do some natural language processing and machine learning around this text to get an idea of what the global conversation is about music. And we also listen to all music. So computers will go out and again crawl the web, find all of the audio that we can, and we'll apply signal processing and machine learning to the audio that we find, so we get an understanding of what the music sounds like. And we take all of this data, what the global conversation is about music and what the music sounds like, and we make it available through a set of web APIs.
Mm-hmm. And are there interesting projects today that you see people who are working on it?
Yeah, there are a whole number of really interesting projects. I see some people who are trying to build some new and interesting ways to make playlists. I see people are using some of our remixing APIs to make new kinds of music. So I'm pretty excited to see what we'll find at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm. What do you think about this whole evolution of APIs and opening up data? Will it change the way we do business, or?
Yeah, I think it used to be that the DJs, the radio DJs, the music review, music critics used to be the gatekeepers of music. They would be the people who decide what we wanted to listen to. And now I think this is shifting, where it's now going to be the application developers who are going to be the people who bring music to the average listener. So people make apps for music discovery, for playlisting, for exploring music. And those apps are really going to define the next generation of music listening.
Mm-hmm. We have all that openness here at the Music Hack Day and in the tech world, but in the traditional music industry, they are more restrictive about copyright and licensing.
Yes.
Will that clash, or how do you think about that?
I think we're seeing shifts. We've already seen DRM essentially go away, and I think as the traditional music industry sees some of the things that are happening amongst the people who come to the Music Hack Day, they will start to say, hey, there's some value here with these developers, so let's start to give these developers some of the assets that they need to build apps. We're starting to see that, like with 7 Digital's opening up some of the content of the 30-second previews, the album art, that sort of thing. So I think it's coming.